Hello, today we're going to show you how to make some homemade bean bags. You're going to need a sock, some duct tape, and also some scissors to cut the duct tape. You're going to start by taking your sock and forming it into kind of a beanbag shape. It can be a little rectangular, it doesn't really matter, it doesn't have to be perfect. Once you have that shape, you're going to get some strips of duct tape and you're going to start surrounding your sock. Again, this doesn't have to be perfect. It's a little hard to get the duct tape just right. As long as you cover up most of the sock and it's not going to be falling apart when you're throwing it, you should be all good. Now we're just going to take the duct tape and go the other way around. I covered up all of the spots on the beanbag, but you don't have to. There can be parts showing. It doesn't really matter. You can just make it however you want it to be. Just going to keep going over with more duct tape until I'm happy with what I have. And then we have this little beanbag here. And now you have a beanbag you can use for your own throwing and catching activities.